You know why I'm passionate about the young people start doing stuff in the church now? I'm very passionate about it. Because if we can start training the young people now, within the next 5 years, they are stars for Christ. And that's why when they are clapping and when they are dancing, the church will stand behind them. Because you know what? When our little daughters go on some of these TikTok stuff and shaking their butt, everybody's celebrating them for the foolishness that they are doing. But when they come to church and dancing, we sit down like we sit down in starch. And we are not celebrating the young people. Hallelujah, somebody. So when we see the young people come up and they're dancing, even when they're out of rhythm, we still have to jump. We still have to praise, because we are not looking at where they are now. We are looking at where they are going. Somebody give God praise in this place. Don't let the world give our children what we are not giving them. Let us not sit back and allow the world to give to them what we in the church fail to give to them. In other words, we got to celebrate them and let them know that God is using them mightily. Look at what happened to David. When David stood up to go up against Goliath, his own brothers, they started to criticize him and telling him, you just want to be seen, you just want to be heard, you came down here to be seen. And they did not know that God was shifting David into a position of power. And God is shifting the young people of this generation, of this age, of this ministry. Let us celebrate them.